Good morning, world. It's Black Ace 36. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do 3-beat weaves while spinning POI. 3-beat weaves is a very cool POI trick that can be used to go into a lot of cool stuff. So it's definitely one of the first moves you're going to want to learn and get down very well. It's the outline to almost every move, actually. So a couple tips while doing the 3-beat weave is the shoulder rotation is necessary. You got to move your upper body from side to side as the POI is following it. See that? How I'm rotating my upper body following the POI. Kind of like chasing the POI, actually. So another tip while doing this 3-beat weave is I got my wrists actually touching each other. If you see that, they never disconnect. It's not necessary. It's just from one side to the next, and it really, the motion would be like this. Kind of like you're driving a car this way, and you're driving a car that way, and you're driving a car this way, drive the car that way. Some ways that you can get practice for this is starting like this with simple circles by your side in a metronome fashion, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe try throwing in the cross, right? And that'll help you get in that motion for the 3-beat weave. Like I said, like I'm driving a car, going left, going right. Left, right. Shoulders follow one another. So this is also an excellent thing to practice for just getting comfortable moving the POI around. So you want to try and keep them at your side, rotating on a flat plane as if there's a wall here. Because with POI, it's a visual art. So if my audience is you, I want to be showing you my motions, not showing you, now I'm showing them my moves, So it's fun, and it's a 360-degree thing that you can get into, And you can start connecting moves once you get the 3-beat weaves down and start practicing things like the crossers. So one more time, quick overview. We're going to be turning our torso from left to right. It's kind of like we're driving a car. Not really, but going left and going right. Going left, going right. Going left, keeping the wrists connected. To get into it is kind of the hardest part, because you just got to get them in opposite. So one is following the other is basically how it looks. You can just get that motion going, and correctly doing it, you're going to want to have straight arms. And but really, there's no true correct way to do anything with this. As long as it feels good to you, that's what it's all about, is getting your body moving. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.